We often attribute diminishing mental capacity to aging, yet we all know many people who retain excellent mental clarity into very advanced ages. What separates those who suffer from cognitive decline and those who do not? Recent studies and modern medical imaging technologies are leading to tantalizing new clues to exactly what keeps our brains young. For many years, it was believed that all neurons in the brain were non-regenerative. The idea was that we were given a certain amount of neurons, and once they died, they were not replaced. As we aged, these brain cells die off, and this starts to reduce the size and functional capacity of our brain. Several studies in the last few years, however, have shown that not only can we regenerate neurons in the hippocampus, our primary memory processor, but we can greatly increase connectivity between all existing neurons through learning and mental exercise. Several important neurotransmitter chemicals do diminish as we age. This drop in the communication system between neurons is often cited as a primary cause of age-related memory loss. Recent studies have shown that other health issues such as extreme stress, chronic vitamin and mineral deficiency, or dehydration can affect the amount of neurotransmitters just as profoundly as age-related loss. The fact that these causes of neurotransmitter deficiency can be corrected offers clues into the ways to improve communication within the brain. The third thing that affects mental acuity with age is that we develop plaques and tangles, known to be the primary cause of Alzheimer's disease. Plaques are proteins that build up between neurons, while tangles are fibers that grow in the brain cells. Both of these cause nerve death and failed communication between neurons. Another problem that is often mistaken for Alzheimer's is the damage done to brain tissue by small strokes called transient ischemic attack, or TIA. The symptomatic dementia caused by TIAs is often indistinguishable from Alzheimer's. The primary external difference between the two is the nature of the dementia's onset. Another main villain in keeping our brain healthy are the free radicals that can form through lifestyle and environmental pollution exposure. Free radicals can kill cells and damage DNA in existing cells. The good news is that most of the things we do to keep our muscles and heart healthy is also very good for our brains. Aerobic exercise increases blood flow in the brain, helping maintain higher levels of neurotransmitters and general brain cell health. Exercise and a healthy diet lower the chance of stroke and therefore TIAs. A diet high in antioxidants helps lower the proliferation of free radicals. Learning stress reduction techniques can have a profound effect on arterial and heart health, but it also seems to help brain cell communication by keeping neurotransmitters flowing, as does consistent quality sleep. You don't need to be a brain scientist to know that a bad night's sleep means lower mental acuity and many times a very bad mood all day. Part of what happens when we sleep is mental housekeeping, conversion of short-term memory to long-term. Waking up before cleanup is completed makes our minds feel cluttered until we have a chance to sleep again. Speaking of cleaning up mental clutter, meditation has been shown in numerous studies to have a profound effect on memory retention. Besides its stress-reducing benefit, meditation seems to slow misfiring of neurons, allowing the brain to work more efficiently. There is one way to improve brain function that is unlike all the other general health habits mentioned. To regenerate neurons in the hippocampus and improve brain size and function, you need to stimulate your brain. New experiences in learning new things has been shown over and over to build new connections within the brain. The more complex and deep the experiences in learning, the more profound the changes that are possible. One of the most stimulating challenges for the brain is learning a new language because how extensively language is distributed in the brain. But even exercises such as simple as puzzles, trying new foods, and taking an adult education class can spark improved brain function. To-dos. Do aerobic exercise of at least 30 minutes most days of the week. Eat a diet that includes a lot of antioxidant foods. A heart-healthy diet is also a brain-healthy diet. If you are often under stress, learn stress reduction techniques. Meditate. Get at least 7 hours of quality sleep per night. If you're having trouble sleeping, speak to your doctor. Getting adequate sleep is an important health issue. Do or learn something new as often as you can. Take a different route to work, make a list of local sites you would like to visit, get a book of crosswords. Take time to do or learn something new every day. A good long-term project is to determine what non-English speaking country you'd like to visit, set a savings plan goal to pay for it, and then learn one word of their language every day.